I'm going to ready.
Oh, two sweet like gamers. Hello.
Yeah, hold up.
Hold up. Okay.
Not ready.
Alright.
Am I recording? Yeah. Okay.
Classic.
The classic. Hey, Mike. Minecraft hasn't crashed yet, so that's a good sign.
Sure it'll crash in more important time, don't worry.
No. We won the sumo. That was the most important thing that's gonna happen.
Yeah, we want to swim this time. That's a major difference. Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, I need the stream racer ready. Gross.
Okay.
Oh, Docta.
Wait, Ben fell for the bait. Wait a second.
What was the bait?
I just typed in chat like what they all, you know how they're always like waiting for predictions file, like so I just typed that and then Ben's like SMH.
Oh.
I got him.
Okay, Zach's lined up for the pearl drop, and Ox lined up for the punch drop, like we thought.
Ben getting the pre-info. I mean, we 100% knew that was gonna happen, so
I know,
it doesn't matter.
but still.
But I really hope we win. I hope when we win, that's the start of our videos. Ben getting the info. Like, okay, checking the spawn drop, guys. This one's lined up with chest 3, and this one's on chest 2. But because this isn't a map, like normally it's glass and you can see the other side. Ben, if only we could get a TV strat where you do start ISO. They would have been so surprised.
I remember in like one game I actually started in ISO, and I got up the vertical of third ISO.
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
Oh, they're ready.
They're ready. So Jibbly, can you not? What are you doing, Jib?
I don't know. I'm just
I
having a
don't
good
think
time.
you're lined up here. Maybe you are.
Where am I
I am
supposed to go?
perfectly lined up.
No, this is my block, Jib. I don't know where you go.
I don't know where to go either.
And I don't think you were here last time, but maybe you were. I don't know.
I just was like, I'm in a random block. I don't know.
I'm going.
Just receive the Venmo. Time to throw gamers.
Good luck,
Good luck, gamers.
PvPers.
No! I put shot
Yeah.
off. Zach's across though.
Yeah, you pearled as well.
One shot Osh.
Yeah.
He's over the wall.
I'm bridging.
No one's down for you then.
Can I go?
Yeah, I mean you should have already won. You kind of lost. I hit Ock twice. I'm gonna die now. Hit Ock 3 times.
I got shot down.
Yeah, it's because you wait. Ock is
Osh is bridging.
We just need a couple more blocks. Someone else has got to do it.
Matt, how you doing?
I'm shooting.
I'm entering research now.
One shot Strangey. Oh, hello.
I'm in the chain.
How am I missing? How did I miss that shot? No.
Who are you, Ben?
But
Oh,
no,
our
like,
bridge isn't making any progress.
it's not-
Okay.
Jibbly.
I died.
Okay, they're all the way
Osbridge.
across.
I don't really have a safe
I'm making
place to
cannon
go.
now.
Why? You just,
I'm getting ping back and forth.
we can't let him get across like that. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, I'm near the
People sitting on
bridge. Oh man, they're
Where you block?
shooting from hard angles. There's
There's
2 of them
three-
there.
there's
Like,
three-
I'm gonna need cover here.
There's 3 of them there.
They got their TNT chest, I think.
Wait, are they right across me?
Yeah, they're right across me.
Yeah, it's just
One shot off.
Did you blow up the iron? Or are they blowing up the iron? I think so.
I went for the TNT chest first. I'm gonna get in the iron now.
One shot Osh.
Okay, I'm across. It's kind of a hard jump.
How do we do this? There we go.
So we should go for should probably cover for me.
There you go. Oof. Okay.
I'm gonna die because of that. Oh, Ben, why don't you I'm going in the back.
One shot Osh.
I'm 1 hit. I can't fight.
Okay, I got the iron.
No.
Zach's probably gonna cannon from like above, just a dry cannon. So if you can get a shot on him somewhere,
He's there.
pretty nice.
I can't really know if I can get it. I'm trying, but I also gotta go. Ben, can you bring 6 extra cobble down? I forgot
Yep.
some.
I got cobble.
Just drop it in like over here. Or in the
I'll do it on
chest.
the ground. I don't know what he's in here.
That was
Oh,
alright.
Ak is in top of first resources. One shot Ak, one shot Osh.
I'm going down then.
Yeah,
One
Zach
shot
can
off.
be in from blue, I think.
Zach just can't do it, I think.
Yeah, I got his 9 now.
One another shot Ak, Ak solo.
There's no one
There's
here,
one
Doctor.
block left.
Yeah, we're chill, we're chill.
Oh, there's no one here. Okay, I'm going.
Mine's the more important rush, but yeah. They make up for first heavy then.
Yeah.
Over at Matt, Jibbly, you did great.
I'm still gonna go check for iron.
Yeah, I can go for it. He did can twice, Matt.
Yeah.
Ak and Osh
Stand
is
out,
top of
Bader.
resources.
I don't know, that's up to you. There's ore around somewhere. Maybe you can get the ore.
I heard TNT around like diamonds area.
Did you grab enchanting, Matt, or no?
I got enchanting.
Okay, I'm going for diamonds right now.
I'm just gonna
Right.
get out and grab ores. Yeah.
Last died. Probably at first.
That's huge.
Or maybe third. They don't have third, right?
I'm
Should we keep an eye on first, for sure.
Yeah, Jib, watch first side.
Okay.
I'm getting into third right now.
I think Zach is mining diamond ores. I don't see him right now. He was at iron last I saw him, but
Okay, so
Oh,
good
he's
light
news.
up the
lane,
A
by the
creeper
way.
blew up the diamond block and it dropped.
Oh,
No,
my
oh god. Okay, I almost just entered, but I didn't, so that's all that matters, right?
it all matters, yeah.
How close you get to enting, it's if you do or not.
Ak is right above first. Might be digging down or something.
They're
I'm
like
just
definitely gonna run
so-
first here. There's like everyone's over there.
Ak is like in the village, but like Osh is further down in the village towards the pyramid.
Okay, know which spawn we literally.
Where is Zach was and Strangey?
It's actually.
Zach is on resources.
Strange?
Yeah. No idea.
Strange rushing third?
No. No.
No.
No.
Is he maybe getting diamonds? I don't see anyone.
Hey, Ben, you're telling us you didn't even have to blow up anything because it just worked for you?
Yeah.
Got lucky?
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
I have 2 shots.
canning shit right now.
okay, their diamonds are gone.
Okay.
Another shot on Ak. Ak is very low in top level
You
resources.
might be the only one there, I don't know. We're good.
Yeah, I've been delaying Zach. I'm just grabbing ores right now. But yeah.
Good. Um,
What's he doing? Oh, he keeps like running back and forth for no reason. Another shot on Ak. Who's down there?
Oh, wait,
Zach is on
Stranger's right
resources.
third. Stranger's right third. Wait, fuck. Oh my god, tell me I didn't just do that. Ah, I love this game. Hold on.
I can come in a sec.
Where did they water from a butt? Wait. There's 2 of them here? No, they water from outside somehow. They water the PvP ones from outside.
Okay.
2 people here also, by the way. They 100% Stranger's at the start of the wool, but like not pillared up, but the levers are watered.
Right, they just like shift it over and water them.
Like, huh?
I'm coming out. Do you want me to come? Or no, I think
Oh,
Jibbly should go.
It's still like all at the edge of the resources, kind of annoying.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, he's like has an Ak spot.
shots on Zach coming out.
Do you want me to come, Doctor?
I don't know. Like there's 2 people here, but I don't know if I need it or not. Like one's in the wool, so you probably should come.
I think Matt and
No, I
Jibbly are gonna come soon, so I'm gonna go.
Ak is low.
Like Oz is here now. They're running now.
I got shot on Zach as well.
Jibbly, go to third.
Okay.
Very strange. I see mobs. Stranger's down in the. Oh, I need to kill. Oh, how'd I miss? What? Oh, what if there wasn't Oz right in front of me? He's dead.
Can
Fuck.
get low on armor, but
Stranger's doing the one on the PvE right now. I would have killed him, but I got shot.
Okay.
I
can you
got
drop
it,
into
by
them
the
for me?
way.
Yeah, I've got a lot of things.
I'm behind you.
Nope,
I'm
no
grabbing
letters.
a book here.
Oh, 2 diamonds in the chest.
Diamonds. Okay.
Make it.
I'm making it now.
Yep.
Where's the book? Oh, it's here. Here. Lapis. And change your stuff quick so I can like go.
Okay.
I'm looking for Strange in the Wool.
He's in the bottom.
Oh, yeah, he's at the bottom, yeah. Okay, I see him.
He hasn't got those PvP buttons, I think, but he's just waiting on them. I have no idea if he's done it. I don't think he has. Do you have a bed, Jibbly? I know.
Yeah. It's not night, though.
Okay,
just
I
shot
got
us.
my stuff enchanted. I can enchant extra bows.
Dude, quick. I need to go. There it goes.
Okay, yeah, he's in that PvE lever over there.
Okay, it's done.
Oh, that server lag is wild.
Might have arrows, of course.
I'm gonna
Alright,
bring
check.
arrow.
Yeah, there's arrows over here, it's fine.
I'm gonna bring my I'm coming now.
Died.
Nice.
Oh, nice, thank God.
I don't think he's gotten the PvP ones yet, by the way.
Zach's gonna be running first right now. I think we have Jibbly come back.
Okay, there's a bed here, Docta. I'm gonna not sleep in it, because if I need to go to first, you sleep in it. It's where it was last game.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Auk and Zach are here. At first. You need to come back,
At
Jibbly.
first,
Okay.
they're doing it.
Yep, I assume you don't have ladders.
Get a power bow from Matt on the way.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, power bow
Doctor
from Matt.
here. Power bow.
I'm busy.
It's behind you. Just step back.
Okay, does anyone have water? Jibbly just grabbed it. Jibbly just grabbed it. No, I got it, right.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Anyone have water or no?
I do have water. Yeah. Here, take it for now.
Zach's
Give it
starting
to
right
me.
now.
He's across the map then.
We're running
No.
There's gonna be a bunch of arrows in the last chest and like extra bow, lapis, TNT, buttons, and ladders. I have to smell
Are
time.
you waiting to start, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I want to shoot at Zach.
Water. I was watered there.
I
Can
can
we
make a
also water
cannon
delivery
form, but
somewhere outside? I
I'm
guess.
going right now.
I'm gonna make an entrance source real quick now.
Dude, fucking bad.
Yeah.
Hit him a bunch. Or twice.
You have eyes on Frenzy or no?
He's not back in the wall, is he?
Oz is in the middle now.
Zach's
Oh
going.
no. That is amazing. Am I getting hit? What the hell? Uh-oh.
You guys should outgear them at first,
Yeah, we
right?
do.
Yeah.
Or I do, at least.
Zach doesn't have diamonds, right? Or does?
Okay,
What
Zach
gear
got
is Zach
gold.
in?
He's
Oh.
like in half iron gold.
Oh. Maybe I should have just killed him there.
Oh, I'm here.
Take out the
Nice
mouse
stuff.
for you, Jibbly.
Thanks. Oh, there we go.
I don't think I picked up
I'm
anything.
not. I feel like I'm going soon though.
Yeah. I was not looking for like iron, but okay. I'll just go now. I have like. Can I have my other bucket?
Yeah, hold on one sec. I will give it to you and more. Come over here, man, in the middle.
I'm here.
Yeah, hold on one sec.
Cute.
I don't. You guys okay?
Our
I'm getting
spawn
canned
is
because of that, Matt. I'm getting canned because of that, Matt. I'm getting canned because.
Oh. Do you need help or?
I mean, it's blown up now. It's just like I ran over to help.
Okay.
You should always only come to me, not make me go to you.
Where's my stuff? Looks up here. Okay.
Right, Ben, are you running? What's going on?
Almost.
You
Almost
hit the
running?
lever?
Or almost at the wall?
Almost running.
Oh.
Are you
I'm waiting
down
for
there?
Jibbly to... No, not yet.
I'm done. Okay, because I'm in here with the bed.
Okay, I got you.
Shouldn't you just be strange at first? If he's not, you should just be going, right?
Yeah. I'm in clear a lot of mobs and stuff.
Okay, I'm here by the way, try not to kill me.
Oh my god.
Hey, if you have extra arrows, I'm okay. I got 3 stacks. That's probably fine.
Okay, I'm in third now. What?
Matt.
I'm stupid.
Like, your stuff there?
That was extremely bad. And my stuff
What
is
the fuck?
safe. It's like at the entrance. Do I have a pick? I can just stick to it.
He's mining iron.
That was so bad.
Okay.
Okay, Ak is dead, but I don't know if he has a bed there. Hopefully not.
I don't
So Matt,
see
did you
one.
not have TNT from Stranger's here now in iron?
It's in the chest over there on the other side.
Why did you put this stuff over there?
I don't know. It's the first chest I always put it in.
Like, it's like the lead. I'm always over on this side of the wall. Everything should be over here. Because
Hey,
this is where the
doesn't
wall
matter.
Which is that third, by
Dead
the way.
again.
Like,
No shadow knock.
I don't know why you're running. Why are you running on the top?
What?
Ben, are you running by the way?
Yeah.
Do you have an extra pick?
Oh, you
Or
should have been
wood?
running the whole time because Ak was dead.
I mean,
Okay,
there's wood
I'm
everywhere
ready now.
Oh,
No,
dude,
right
he
here.
was dead.
I
Like,
had
you
to
need to
clear
get-
mobs.
Okay.
Okay, can I go?
Maybe.
You need to go.
Yeah.
Like, there's not a can go. Like, you need to go.
Okay, I'm going.
You guys let them get entirely first.
Okay, he's
before
dead,
they
he's
do.
dead, he's
Should be too. You just gotta go. Like, we're really behind then. We need to do it fast.
We're doing it.
Okay, he's coming, he's coming.
The lockdown is hard because they've watered the buttons that are going to get canonized.
Okay, here goes the pearl. Okay, I made
I'm
it.
stuck in this hole.
Okay, Stranger's going to start. No, Zach's here at third now. Zach's gonna run third now. In Diamond, there's 3 here, and I have no cannon target power right now. Shit. So yeah, good. Can't wait to see this one, guys.
I'm almost done. Really can almost leave.
She should leave now.
Oh, Doc's shooting at me.
Yeah, but you have one vert then. You gotta.
Oh, that's unlucky.
Okay, I'm digging down to my stuff now.
Zach's gonna get this wall. I don't know what to tell you.
Perfectly
I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, Zach's getting this wall. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay, that's what you're
I
telling us.
mean, yeah, that's fine.
I'm at 3v1 right now. Like,
It happens like that.
no, the game is over if they get this wall.
We know.
But someone come.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
good.
I mean, I'm here. Bring
Okay,
it
I'm
fast.
coming, I'm coming.
I'm getting cannon now still. Like, if I had that cannon still, this would be doable, but and we have no third target. I'm just getting hunted by 2 people come. Where is that?
Oh, I'm back to my things. Yay.
Okay, Matt, just focus on
I
locking
actually
down.
Hey, Matt, you need to be shooting.
Yeah.
I'm getting karma cannon.
Whatever.
How much I do is that?
Ooh, nice.
Shots like
Where-
4 times.
is it-
He's at the entrance.
Entrance.
Wait, did you get the? Oh, I got the wall. Wait, yeah, I got the wall.
cool. Okay, so GG.
We can stop him from going up, I guess.
I mean, so many silverfish. Where?
So maybe tunneling up.
Who opened the silverfish? Yeah, GG.
Yeah, he's tunneling up right now. Well, I'm just gonna try to blitz this wall, I guess.
Cool.
Yeah, that goes.
My stuff might die there. So because of that.
Ooh. Do I have? Okay.
Oh my god. Here we go.
Anyone know where Zach is?
Out of third somewhere.
Okay.
That's the
I'm out of
all I know.
Zach's in the lake right now.
Okay.
I missed every shot, so yeah, I'm just. I can't hit a shot.
It's okay.
Okay. Should it be in?
I mean, he's placing
Yeah,
the rules in
yeah,
like
yeah,
10 seconds. That's gone.
Oof.
Hey, first thing, do I see TNT there? Oh no.
And he would.
One shot, Zach. Okay.
The bridge was made of teeth. Wait, why didn't.
Okay. He just launched himself. One shot, Zach.
Look at Flambo just shooting me. Yeah, whatever.
Yes, GG.
Ooh.
GG.
I guess I missed around the buttons. That's my fault.
It's whatever.
Yeah, so what happened at... Oh, you just...
I literally have no
Counter-idea?
idea. And Matt asked for water, so I went to give him water, and when he did that, he did that.
Yeah. We shouldn't have left. I don't know if we should have even ran third there.
I mean, he was out when I started.
No.